In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Softr account. If you've decided it's time to close your account, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to expect. As a quick note, deletion is typically permanent and may remove access to your apps and data, so make sure you truly want to proceed. It can also help to double check you're signed into the correct workspace before you start. Begin by heading to the Softr dashboard in your browser and signing in if you aren't already. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where all your personal settings live, and it's the quickest route to the account controls we need. From the profile menu, choose My Account. This opens your account area, which includes profile details, security settings, and the option to remove your account. Take a second to confirm you're in the right place, then continue. On the account page, find and click Delete Account. This action doesn't immediately erase anything. It starts the guided flow to confirm your decision, which helps prevent accidental deletions. You'll see a screen that says, Your voice matters. This step exists so the team can understand why users leave and improve the product. Sharing a short, honest reason can be helpful for them, but it's completely up to you. Next, you'll be asked, What makes you want to cancel? Here you'll see a list of common reasons. Click the option that best matches your situation. If you see an additional field pop up for details, add anything you think would clarify your choice. There's no need to overthink it, just pick the closest match. After choosing your reason, click Next to proceed. This advances the process and records your selection. Keep an eye on any on-screen prompts that follow. The flow is designed to make sure you fully intend to delete. If at this point you realize you'd rather keep your account, there's an option that says, I've changed my mind. Click that to stop the deletion and retain full access. It's a simple way to back out if you reconsider. Before you finish, a quick reminder, if you have important data, collaborators, or live projects tied to your account, consider whether you need to hand anything off or save copies beforehand. Treat the deletion as final. That's the entire process from the dashboard to confirmation. Follow these steps carefully, take a moment at each screen, and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently manage your Softr account.